Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. I want to take just a couple minutes today, I know you're busy, to wish you and your family a very happy and blessed Thanksgiving. You know, every day here, we're so grateful for you, and especially on Thanksgiving when we really kind of have that examining of ourselves of what are we grateful for. You are right there front and center. Shabby Fabrics had such an unlikely beginning now over really 2 decades ago almost now, that all started with those terrorist attacks of September 11th. My husband and I, now unemployed airline pilots, went, now what? Who could have known that the first yard of fabric I sold on eBay would take us to where we are today? And you are part of that story, and I want you to know that. Every day we are grateful, and especially today. So again, thank you for being part of our Shabby Fabrics family. We appreciate the opportunity every day to earn your business, to bring you world-class products, fun, creativity, and so much more. I look forward to seeing you soon on another video. And again, God bless you and your family on this very happy Thanksgiving.